Until now, we have tried to do the display UI by using a display layout. In the display layout, we've tried to edit the XML file. In the XML file, we just remove the linear layout and put text view instead. And we edited a bit of Android padding and Android text size. The second thing we did was to do a display activity.java file which extends a list activity. It also has a set list adapter method which is responsible for displaying our list of strings which are given as event1, date1. These are the dummy events. The next thing, we have edited the Android manifest file. We just registered a new activity, and we also created an event in the main.xml file, and then we implemented that in the glug manager activity by using this display event method. Now here in display activity, the only thing in this step we are editing is the get data method. In the get data method, we now have to get the data from the database. So we open the events controller, create the new object, and call the open method. You get a list of events, and for every list of events, you get the ith event, you say events.get of I. So in that ith event, you say get event will get the event's name, and get date will get the date of that event. And then we are formatting that string and returning the list of the strings back to this set list adapter so that can be displayed. Now just let's try to run this on our AVG. That will run our APK. It's loading that APK, starting it. So when I click see all events now, I will get this list. So this list I am formatting just here, say something on something. So that is the basic end of the app.